Another strong night overnight on Wall Street. The Dow and S&P were up by 0.4%. The Nasdaq was up by 1%. That's thanks to some M&A activity in the pharmaceutical sector. There's $30 billion worth of deals between GlaxoSmithKline, Novartis and Eli Lilly. And there is also a $45 billion bid for Botox maker Allergen from Valeant. I'm joined by Adam Carr from Business Spectator. Adam, what pushed the markets higher overnight?
Well, yeah, Jackson, was all that takeover merger talk overnight. I guess we also saw in the backdrop some better than expected economic data, but look, realistically, it was fairly minor stuff. But I think a combination of those factors, largely all that activity in the health sector, though.
Okay, and overnight there was some other good data on US house prices.
Yeah, look, house prices are still pushing high. There was a lot of talk or fear that price growth might moderate. A 0.6% gain isn't too bad. So yeah, look, I think that in an environment where people are wondering where the housing market in the US is going, seeing this positive price growth is a sign that there's still more strength left in the market.
But there wasn't that big an increase though in new home sales, which was interesting.
Yeah, look, it was better than expected. It was still a fall. I think from memory about 0.2%. But look, the market was looking for a fall of about 1%. That's not great, but look, a better than expected result gives investors a little bit of relief and helps sentiment at the margin. I don't want to overplay that. I think the economic data was marginal for sentiment.
And the other big move overnight was crude oil down by 2.2%.
Look, some forecasts. We get the government, the EIA's report for tomorrow's session, and analysts forecast what's going to happen with stockpiles. The forecast is that stockpiles increased, and I think that, and also talk of another investment bank pulling out of the commodities market, probably saw a little bit of selling on WTI. West Texas mainly. Brent fell, but not nearly by as much.
And Adam, finally, what are we looking out for today?
Well, for Australia, it's about consumer prices. We get inflation at 11:30, so that'll be the key thing to watch. The market's looking for a big number, about 0.8%, and headline inflation to be up above the target band. Very interesting with record low interest rates. And then shortly after that, we get HSBC's, their flash estimate of the Chinese manufacturing PMI. I think that's at 11:45.
Adam Carr, thank you very much.
Thank you, Jackson.